Hello friends, we are on lecture number 3 now, and today we'll be discussing this November 2018 exam paper. Okay, so let's begin with this November 2018 paper. As you know, I'll put the paper on the screen and you will keep the printed notes in front of you, right? So open page number 19. Go to page number 19, my dear friends. November 2018 paper is printed. Let's begin one by one. Question 1A. Now you know question 1A, B, C, D. These are of generally 5 marks. And then from question 2 onwards, it could be 10 marks or 5 plus 10 marks and so on. You know that. Question 1A. Messrs SJ Private Limited manufactures, underline the word manufactures, 20,000 units of a product per month. Product per month. Product and per month also you will underline. I will discuss it why. The cost of placing an order is rupees 1,500. The purchase price of raw material is rupees 100 per kg. The reorder level is 5 to 7 weeks. Now you know this reorder level now, reorder period. Reorder period is your lead time required for delivery of raw material. That is reorder period, also known as lead time. It is 5 to 7 weeks, out of which 5 is minimum, 7 is maximum, and average will be 6 weeks. That is what you have to understand, from 5 to 7 weeks. The consumption, underline the word consumption. Consumption of raw material varies from 200 kg to 300 kg per week. The speed of consumption is given in per week. This consumption speed is also called as usage rate. Usage rate is the speed of consumption, and the average consumption being 250 kg. Naturally, if you take the average of 200 and 300 kg, that is 200 plus 300 divided by 2, you will get 250 kg. The carrying cost of inventory is 9.75 per annum. Now you are required to calculate. There are 5 questions for 5 marks. It means 1 mark per question. First question is reorder quantity. Reorder quantity means economic ordering quantity. Reorder quantity by default means EOQ. Then reorder level, maximum level, minimum level, and average stock level. So naturally this question belongs to inventory levels, my dear friends. I am assuming the formula of inventory levels is here in your mind. Now, though the answer is printed, you know I am not going to go directly to the printed solution, because printed solution are even otherwise there. We will try to develop, we will try to discuss, and then we will cross check with the printed solution. As I told you yesterday also, that I am saving only your writing time, right? Because the printed solutions are given to you, but I am not saving your thinking time. I want you to think and perform the calculations on the calculator with me, right? Well, that practice at least you do. I have already saved your writing time. So thinking and calculation time is not saved. You have to do it with me. Okay, right, let's go. First of all, the first accident spot of this question, though the question is just for 5 marks, we have underlined these 2 words. You are going to manufacture 20,000 units, and this is per month. Now, why this sentence is important? Please remember, we calculate inventory levels for raw material, not for finished goods. We calculate inventory levels for raw material and not for finished goods. What you are manufacturing is finished goods. Now, this 20,000 units information is of no use to you for solving the question, because that information relates to manufacture of finished goods. Actually, they should have given one information here, one more information, and that is how much raw material is required to manufacture each unit of output. I repeat, how much raw material is required to manufacture each unit of output. It is not given in the question, but suppose if they say that to manufacture 1 unit of finished goods, you need 2 kg of raw material. Then using this information, we will get annual consumption. Annual consumption will be, first of all, annual production. 20,000 per month it is there. So 20,000 per month into 12 months will be your annual production. And to produce each unit, you will require 2 kg of raw material. So into 2 kg, you will get annual consumption. And why I want annual consumption? I think for EOQ, in the numerator, you will require annual consumption. But this is what I have assumed. This is not the data given in the question. This data is not given in the question. So you cannot calculate annual consumption. I repeat, you cannot calculate annual consumption in this question, because they have not given you the relationship that 1 unit requires, 1 unit of finished goods requires how much raw material. But we have got another bypass route. And another bypass route to calculate annual consumption is, you are given consumption speed. Now you have to take average consumption speed for calculation of annual consumption. If no other information is available, you have to use average speed of consumption. And please remember, this consumption is per week. So 250 kg per week into 52 weeks in a year. 250 kg average consumption per week. You have to calculate annual consumption using average. So 250 kg into 52 weeks. How much will be your annual consumption? 250 into 52. Do it. That is 13,000. This irrelevant information I am deleting. So it will be 13,000 kg is your annual consumption. Now, I will use this annual consumption in the EOQ formula. So your answer will be 2 into annual consumption 13,000 into ordering cost per order is 1,500 divided by carrying cost is given in percentage, but that percentage is to be multiplied by purchase price per kg of raw material. Purchase price is 100 into 9.75%. It means it will become 9.75 of 100. Right? So 2 into 13,000, do the calculation, 2 into 13,000 into 1,500 divided by 9.75. You will first press the button is equal to. I hope you are using the calculator. You will first press the button is equal to, and now press square root. So you'll get 2,000. So 2,000 kg is your reorder quantity. First answer. So we got this answer. So I'm deleting now this information. First answer is 2,000 kg. This is your reorder quantity. Now reorder level, if you remember the formula of reorder level, it is maximum usage rate into maximum lead time. Now what is maximum usage or consumption rate? 300 kg per week. And what is maximum lead time? 7 weeks. So 300 into 7, 2,100. 2,100 kg will be your reorder level, that is maximum usage rate into maximum lead time. Now maximum level. If you remember the formula of maximum level, it is equal to reorder level first. Reorder level means 2,100 minus, in the bracket, minimum usage rate into minimum lead time. Minimum usage rate into minimum lead time, that is 200 kg into minimum lead time is 5 weeks, plus reorder quantity. Reorder quantity is EOQ, that is 2,000. This is how you will get a maximum level. So do this calculation on the calculator. I think this comes to 3,100 maximum level. So 3,100 kg is your maximum level, correct? Now we go to minimum level. Minimum level is reorder level. Reorder level is 2,100. Reorder level minus average usage rate into average lead time. Average usage rate is 250 into average lead time will be 6 weeks. So 250 into 6 will be deducted from 2,100. So your minimum level will be 600 kg, correct? And average stock level has got two formulas. Average stock level can be calculated as minimum level plus maximum level divided by 2. So you'll get one answer. And one more answer you can write as minimum level plus half of EOQ. Minimum level plus half of EOQ. Now, so always you should write two answers on a safer side. If I take minimum plus maximum level divided by 2, then the answer will be this minimum level 600 plus maximum level 3100 divided by 2. So answer will be 1850, one answer. Or minimum level 600 plus half of EOQ, that is half of 2000 EOQ. So it will become 1600. So these are the two answers of average level. Safer side, write both. That way question was not difficult, but there was one accident spot. Annual consumption was not there. So you have to calculate annual consumption as 13,000 kg using average consumption speed. Correct? And then if you remember the formulae, then the question is simple. If you know the formulas. Let's go ahead, my dear friends. Answers are already printed, so